Hey guys, I just got home. It's 10, I think 10:30, right? And on my way here, I was watching Wildcat Nation. Shout out to Wildcat Nation. All right, I've been vlogging all day. They gave me 3 things of cheese, the Taco Bell sauce or the Bell sauce. But I was watching her channel, and she did a review on the Taco Bell nuggets. And I was like, what? Taco Bell got nuggets? Coke Zero, guys. And I just got ice from them. So I'm just going to pour the soda in there. Hold on. Let me pour this water in this cup because I don't want my soda to be all watery and shit. Anyway, guys. What's going on? What you ate today? What you did today? You saw the vlog. Oh, you're going to see the vlog because I'm going to put this first. It's not Tuesday. It's not Taco Tuesday. It's because I saw her video and this is what I wanted. Okay, so this is dinner time for me. And I really wanted to try it because what? The way she made it seem like it was really, really good. Like it was really crunchy. Like if it was like that, it was really crunchy and it's coated and it's real chicken. It's not compressed chicken. Yeah, she gave it a good review. So because she said that, I said, well, let me get that. All right. And I got the 10-piece. Let me just show you real quick. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? There it is. It's focused. Okay, it's supposed to be coated. It's the meal. The meal comes with the fries. All right, so I'm just going to put it in there. What is going on with Charlie? I just took him out. He ate. What is going on with him? The fries come with cheese, so let's put that cheese in there. Oh, you know what I forgot? Hold on, guys. Hold on. My tray. Okay, I just came in here and sat down. I don't know if you can see it, but can you? Nope. Look at that. I'm setting it up right while I'm recording. That's a first, right? I usually have the stand on in there first before I even start recording, but I don't. Oh, you can see it now. Kinda, sorta, maybe. Let me do a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Anyway, so it comes with cheese for the fries, like I was saying. What is going on with him?
I don't know. I'm trying to fix Sonny's.
We just ate. We just fed him. We took him outside. Oh, you know what it is, Kevin?
What?
He wants water.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my God. I went to the bathroom and I forgot to get his tray. He is one of those dogs that will let you know. Okay? What he wants. If he's hungry, you'll know. If he gotta go to the bathroom, he'll let you know. Then the Bell sauce. Okay, she smelled it when she opened it. Wildcat Nation. Shout out to Wildcat Nation. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, go check her out. She is really fun. She's kooky. I like her. She goes to different places. It's a very fun channel. And it's not spicy. Did you get Diablo sauce?
Yeah. You want it?
Yeah. I didn't get no sauce. Whatever was in my bag, I got. Oh my God, Sonny, please. Oh, they wilding out. You seen it all in this clip. And I'm going to put this clip first. Okay, I haven't tasted the nuggets. I put the 10-piece. I've had the fries. I just want to get this hot sauce. I like it. No Diablo sauce?
No, and they didn't give me. Richie's the only one that got cheese sauce.
I got cheese sauce here. What are you
Listen.
talking about? Here.
No, we don't want it. We're done.
How? You got the chips, Kevin.
Instead of...
Where's the chips
They
for the
ate 'em.
meal?
They ate them.
Who ate them?
Both of them. I gave Kevin a little bit, and I gave Richie his.
Yours didn't come with one.
Yeah, they did. I just didn't eat it. I don't want it. I'm full.
Where is it?
They gave us out in the kitchen. They gave us a taco instead of a chalupa, which that pissed me off. I look forward to the chalupa.
Oh, wow.
That's the best part of it, in my opinion.
Guess I'm gonna have to eat it like that. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long, but I showed you. Crunchy. Okay.
I got 1, 2.
She definitely said that kids will love it, and yes, they would. She's 1. That's okay. 1 Diablo sauce. I got so many hot sauces out there, but since this is Taco Bell, you know, I like to keep the sauce with the franchise. You know, my hot sauce I usually use for when I cook for my, my food. But anyway, guys, she took one and she opened it and she said it wasn't compressed. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's not. It is real chicken. Like chicken breast. Okay, Taco Bell. You took him out for the water? I don't even know. Anyway, guys.
What?
Did you put the water? Oh, he's doing it now. I thought you forgot. Guys, this is how we be. This is in real time right now. Okay? When we come with delirious, we're tired, out all day, working all day. Okay? Lack of sleep. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna do this fast.
All right. Go. In the cage. Let's go. Let's go. Charlie. Charlie. Get over here.
Everybody's falling out. Anyway, guys, I'm not gonna keep you long. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to your girl's channel. Alright? I think I'm gonna have 1 or 2 clips before this one. But the thumbnail is gonna be definitely the Taco Bell. Alright? And thanks to Wildcat Nation. I was watching her video, which prompted me to get it. Okay? And I'll see you next time. Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 21, guys. We're on the same job, second day. Alright? I got a quesadilla. No queso. It's a good day to have a good day. It's a good day to have a good day, guys, okay? It's a good day to have. They didn't have black beans, so I got the roasted corn. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, okay? Hit that notification bell. You already know. Continue to pray for me. And it's a good day to have a good day. Let me know how you're doing. Coffee. I made it strong. Just how I like it. Black and strong. That's why I drink milky coffee. Coffee is coffee, right? Now I got a Coke Zero somewhere that I didn't finish drinking last night. It's in there. It's down there. I don't know what this man did here, but he made a mess. Look at this. Maybe the way I carried it out, I don't know. I'm trying to grab it, guys. Okay. I'm trying to grab it. No cheese to hold up the steak and the corn, guys. Anyway, guys, I'll be vlogging throughout the day. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, guys, so the job was canceled. The lady didn't want to pay the extra money, guys. Kevin is driving the truck, I'm driving the car. Okay, hey, happy Vlogmas Day 21, guys. Okay, alright, I know I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I just wanted to quickly let you know what's happening in my day. Alright, and I'll see you guys later in the next clip. Happy Vlogmas Day 21, guys. Another clip. So we're sitting here in the parking lot, right, because we're looking for work, and I just wanted you to know a fun fact about Guamita Love. You see these things? I know, listen, it's a thing. I've been doing this since I was a little girl, okay? Not in my mother's house, because my mom, she wouldn't save stuff. But in my father's house, my father's ex-wife, she used to pop this. She used to sit in the living room, and whatever she had like this, she used to pop it. Okay, and you know, kids are curious, you know, and I used to just go there in the weekends, and I asked her, can I get a piece? And that started it all. So anytime that I am free and I'm not doing nothing, I'm popping these things. I stopped for months and months and months, because let me tell you something, it is addicting. It's something in the brain, like ticks, it's like a tick or something. You gotta feel, when you pop it, you gotta feel that these are empty. While these are popped, like while you pop it, you like do it in a row. Make sure that the ones you popped are popped. It's a sickness, all right? But it's ASMR. We've been doing ASMR before ASMR was a thing. And that's just to those people that do ASMR that think that it's new. It's not new. This and popping gum, oh boy, is ASMR. And whispering. Anyway, guys, happy Saturday. Okay, happy Saturday. We just called our local Sam's Club in reference to, what is this? In reference to the colossal king crabs. They don't have it. They're not in stock. So I guess tomorrow's another day. We'll find out. What am I doing for Seafood Sunday? I don't know. I don't know yet. I'm thinking. I don't know. But anyway, guys, see you on the next clip. Happy Vlogmas Day 21, guys. Since we were in the area, Rosati's. Open it up, Kevin. Come on up.
Yeah, coming.
I always ask for plates. The red pepper flakes, I always ask for a pack. And the Parmesan cheese. Yeah, give him his. Let me know how you guys are doing. I'm doing amazing. Yeah, look at how the glass looks clean now. See it?
Yeah.
I'll get mine. Hold on, guys. It's been sitting here for a little while. I just wanted to clean the. Oh, it's still hot? Yeah, but when you get it fresh, like when you walk out the place and you bite into it, the cheese, you know? Okay. Yes, let's take this bite, guys. See, I don't have a teaspoon. Oh my God, Rosati's. Just what the doctor ordered. The flavor on this. So good. This is napkins. Pass me one. So good. I'm not gonna keep you guys long, because you know, got the rest of the day. Wow. You taste that sauce though, Kevin?
Yeah, it's good.
Flavor. They cut it into squares. So good. Get the napkins.
No, we need.
Because your sweater's there. The Wow. It's been a minute that I've had Rosati's. So, I was overdue.
Only in Florida.
What?
You drive your lawnmower to the gas station for gas.
Oh, yeah.
See him? He's filling up.
Yeah. He probably lives nearby. Or I take the car. Listen here. If you haven't had Rosati's, they bottle their own sauce. I bought it. I've used it. It's good. Okay. They got their own vinaigrette. What else they got? They make cookies, right? Something else. Wings. I haven't had their wings. Next time, I'm gonna order some wings. Wow, it's not greasy, like oily. It's flavorful. The crust is amazing. Okay, it's amazing. Wow. I always enjoy Foodies. All right. Ooh, this part is hot. The middle part. That sauce. Everything about it is amazing. Anyway, guys, I'm taking too long. I'll see you in the next clip.